Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have made this video to troubleshoot the error table partition error in Windows booting system. So I have tried to install the Windows 11 and in this case I'm getting this kind of error. Windows can't be installed, driver partition 1. So this is an error. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. Selected disk has a MBR partition table on EFI system. So this is a common error when you try to install the Windows 11 and your table partition, your hard disk partition shows this kind of error. So this will usually happens for the old hardwares like the laptop prior to 2020. Okay, so GPT means if your hard disk size is greater than 2 GB, then 2 TB, then it will be by default GPT. GPT is an advanced table system in operating system, Windows operating system, and MBR is a legacy system. So nowadays OS are designed to support MDR as well as GPT, but primary would be the GPT. So this would be the error. So let us go back to the solution. So in order to solve this error, I will go back to the cancel button, then I will go to the repair. In repair I will go to the troubleshoot, and in this case I will go to the command prompt. So this will be my command prompt, and here I will type disk part. So I will type a disk part, so it will show me the disk part section. Now I will list down list disk, so I can see how many disks are there. Okay, so here I have one USB, one hard drive, and second SATA drive. So I intended to install in disk number 1. So I will select I want to install in disk 1. Select disk 1. So I have now selected the disk 1. This is very important. If you want to install anything, so you need to first select the disk. Now I will use a clean button. So I will clean this disk, that is GPT disk. Now it has been this is MDR disk. Now you can see in the left hand side here GPT arrow is shown. That means first drive is a GPT, but second drive is not a GPT. Therefore this is showing the problem. So now what I want to do, I will simply type convert convert GPT. So it will show your disk has successfully converted to GPT. Now this is clear, and we have converted our disk successfully to GPT. Okay, now if you want to check, you can again go to the command prompt and type here disk part, then list disk, and hooray, here you can see disk 1 is now converted to GPT. Great. So our problem has been solved. So now let us go back and restart the system. So I will restart my system, and I will try to reboot again my system. Yes, normal, and it will take a couple of seconds, and hopefully the error would have been resolved. Now I will go to next, install. I don't have the key, no issue, you can activate it later. Yes, accept the terms. Now in this option you need to select the custom, because I want to install in the custom drive. Now in this case you can see this error is not prompting up and it is showing me the next button. So let me hit the next button, and before that what I will do, I will try to create the I will try to hit the next button. So my Windows installation has started. So I hope you have solved this error. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.